The day he had to leave, the sky looked sad. The sun was weak behind gray clouds, and the wind felt heavy. Sara stood by the door, her hands shaking, her heart full of silence. Amir looked at her, trying to smile, but his eyes were full of fear. Neither of them wanted to say goodbye, because they knew one word could break everything inside them. Amir promised he would come back soon. "Just a few months," he said. "I'll find work, save money, and when I return, we'll start our life together." He spoke about a small house with white curtains, a window full of sunlight, and flowers by the wall. Sara smiled softly, but deep inside, she was afraid. Love is always afraid of time, because time can change everything. When the train started to move, the sound felt like a knife cutting through her heart. The glass was foggy, and Amir's face slowly disappeared behind it. Sara raised her hand and whispered, "Come back. Whenever you can, just come back." The train went farther and farther away, leaving her in a silence that felt endless. Days passed. Every morning, Sara checked her phone, read old messages, and whispered his name. Every night, she went to the rooftop and looked at the stars. Maybe Amir was looking at the same sky in that other city. Sometimes she smiled, sometimes she cried. Her heart lived in two places at once, one with him, one alone. In the new city, Amir worked long hours. The job was hard, the nights were cold, but every time he felt tired, he looked at Sara's picture. Her smile gave him strength. He told himself, "I'm doing this for her." Yet deep inside, he was lonely. The streets were full of noise, but his heart only heard her voice. Months turned into a year. Messages came less often. Calls became shorter. Sara would sit by her phone, waiting for a sound that never came. Amir, too, wanted to call but didn't know what to say. Between them grew a quiet space, a space that no message could fill. Sometimes love doesn't die, it just becomes silent. One rainy night, Sara walked in the empty street. The lights reflected on the wet ground. She remembered the day Amir promised to come back. The rain fell on her face, mixing with her tears. She whispered, "Even if you never come back, I will still love you." And somehow, the rain felt softer after that. Years passed, the same streets, the same sky, but Sara had changed. Her hair had a few silver strands now. Her eyes looked calmer. She no longer waited every day, but she still carried him in her heart. Sometimes she went near the train station, just to feel that old memory again, that sweet pain that time could not erase. One day, a letter arrived. It was from Amir. His handwriting hadn't changed. He wrote, "Sara, I still think of you. Work is better now, but I don't know when I can return. Sometimes I think maybe you are happier without me. But every night before I sleep, I say your name quietly." Sara read the letter many times. Tears fell, but she smiled, because she knew love that deep never really disappears. After that, she decided not to wait anymore. Not because she stopped loving him, but because she finally understood. Some loves are not meant to end together. They are meant to make us grow. Her love had made her stronger, softer, wiser. She whispered to herself, "He is still part of me, even if he's far away." Years later, they met again by accident, in a small cafe near the window. Their eyes met, and everything stopped for a moment. They didn't speak. They just smiled. In that short look, they said everything. The love, the pain, the years apart. And they both understood love had never left. It had only changed its shape. Amir said quietly, "I promise I won't leave again." Sara smiled and replied, "Don't promise. Just stay here, now." And in that simple moment, they both knew love doesn't always mean staying forever. Sometimes it means being true, even if only for a heartbeat. Sometimes love is not about having someone. It's about feeling them in your soul. Always.